Hey everybody, today I'm going to be changing my front disc brakes on my 2012 Chevy Equinox. This will be the same process for the 2010 through the 2017 Chevy Equinox with the 2.4 liter Ecotec engine. I'm going to be posting in the comment section all of the tools and products and parts that I use for this job. If you need any of those, go ahead and click on the links in the comment section and purchase those through Amazon. If you have any questions, comments, please drop them, and please like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Thanks. Alright, and then next you're going to want to break loose these bolts. You've got 14mm here, and then this is a 17mm nut here. There's one on top and then one on the bottom of the caliper here, so 14 and 17. Slide right off. Alright, then you take your pry tool and you can just pry off your old brakes. Alright, and then with the hood popped, I'm going to come right over here. I'm going to remove the brake fluid reservoir cap just so that there's no pressure when I collapse the caliper. And I'm going to be using a C-clamp to collapse the caliper. Alright, so you're just going to want to rest the brake kind of on top of the assembly here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take an old brake, one of the old brake pads, and my C-clamp. I'm just going to set that in right here. I'm going to just slowly turn this and collapse that caliper. And you'll remove this piece here, and then I'm going to set that back on. This goes on the part with the squealer bar. So the squealer bar goes on the back side of the brakes here. And then you'll remove these little brackets and just pull down like so. Pull up like so. Replace your new ones. And those just pop on into place. Brakes just go right into place. There's little grooves here, so just stick one side in. You're going to kind of push that bracket in, put that, slide that in, and then with the one with the squealer bar, remember, it goes on the back. Slide that one into place there. And you'll take some silicone brake grease. Go ahead and apply that right to your finger, and then you're just going to get all over the surface of this, kind of this metal portion of the outside of the brakes. you slide your caliper back on. You'll hop back in the vehicle, hit the brakes till you feel resistance. The first couple steps will have will be no resistance. So just hit the brakes, push the brakes pretty firmly. All right, then when you're tightening these down, make sure you're using the star pattern. And then you'll go ahead, when you're finished with the other side, don't forget to put your brake fluid reservoir cap back on. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and like and subscribe. Again, all my tools, products, and parts that I used are in my description. Go ahead and, if you need anything, go ahead and click on those links and it'll take you right to the products. Thanks for watching.